Ladies and gentlemen, Jonathan Handford from Fine & Country, and I'm delighted to present to you Birch Villa. We're on Avenue Road in Leamington Spa, and this is one of 8 iconic detached Grade II Georgian villas. Inside, the current owners have done an incredible job of meticulously renovating this beautiful property. And if you're looking for a luxury property to let, this one could be perfect for you. Come on inside and let's have a look around. Upon entering, you are greeted by a spacious hallway. The first reception room boasts ample natural light through expansive windows, while the second reception room, adorned with a log burner, offers flexibility as a home office or snug. There is a newly fitted kitchen with integrated appliances, a new electric Aga oven, and a generous island, all overlooking the beautifully maintained garden. Flowing seamlessly, the dining room leads to a versatile space that could serve as a second kitchen, utility room, or a charming boot room, with access to the rear patio garden. A WC, a laundry room, and cellar access completes the ground floor. Ascending to the first floor, discover a spacious double bedroom and a chic shower room. The next level unfolds 4 additional double bedrooms, each finished to the impeccable standards that define this residence. The master bedroom features a bright and modern ensuite complemented by a luxurious bathroom with a captivating roll-top bath. The property's frontage presents an enclosed and mature lawn adorned with shrubs, bordered by a beautiful wisteria-covered veranda in the summer. The sides and rear feature a low-maintenance terrace, perfect for sophisticated entertaining. A dedicated family gardener tends to the grounds, ensuring a seamless blend of nature and tranquility. The property also offers parking and a private garage. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, if you'd like more information, or to book a viewing, you can reach me on the contact information that will follow. Have a great day.